Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, August 8th, 2012, and here's today's midday market update. I want to first start off by showing you guys a daily chart of the ES so you can see where we're at in perspective to the intraday charts that I'm about to show you guys. We are hovering around this 1400 level. As you guys can see, we are back above that key blue trend line from the neckline from the head and shoulders pattern that we broke down out of here back in early May. That has been the main level that we have been watching around the 1393 level, 1392. And as long as we hold above that this week and going forward, we could definitely start working our way up. Reference levels you want to watch today is 1403.25, which is yesterday's highs, and then the levels you want to be watching to the downside. As long as we hold above 1387, we should be in good shape. But back to the intraday time frame here. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart of the ES, we got a lot of our traders positioned to the upside of the markets early in the morning. We'll take a look at a couple stocks that we were watching, and based off this downward bullish channel setup that we had on the 15-minute chart, we were positioned more to the bullish side than to the bearish side. For the fact we have this lovely pattern, we all know how this usually plays out. Usually get you a nice little breakout, back test hold, a nice little move up. We did get that. We did hold that little trend line to make the nice little higher pivot low off these lows from down here, then triggered along right here around the 1396. That was a good setup. Some stocks that we were watching, a couple stocks that we were watching this morning that I traded was ESRX. All right, caught this ESRX around the 59.90, 59.95 level. Then if you take a look at the 2-minute chart, sorry, I caught this stock around, I believe we called this stock along around like the 59.90 level. All right, but then as you can see on this little 2-minute drop, they dropped the bid below this pivot lows down here around the 59.45, stopped a whole bunch of people out. Luckily, we're mentally trained, so we got ourselves back involved in the stock, called the trade back out at 60.06 and was able to catch this nice little move up right here for some nice coin, which I'm still holding those gains. Got stopped out on the other break-even half that I had at 60.06 right here. There's a lot of other stocks moving. Take a look at ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil's on a nice tear today. Here you can see it finally broke above the 88 level on key volume. We have been highlighting the stock to watch above 88. As long as this stock holds above 88 today on a closing basis, it looks good to go higher. 88 has been the key level from last year, along with the level that was important earlier this year. So now this break above it is pretty bullish for the energy complex in general and all the energy stocks, which have been making a nice move. So watch ExxonMobil for a move higher, as it is in the 25-cent range, consolidating for a nice trade above 88.50. Keep that one on watch. Another strong stock out there is Dean Foods. Had great earnings out this morning. Stocks consolidating above 17. I do not believe it gets a push higher, but we'll see. Key level to watch in the stock is 17.25. Stock's up a lot. Stock's up 37.5% today. I don't think anybody is interested in buying more up here. And I don't think anybody's interested in selling because the stock looks like if it breaks past 17.25, it can make a nice move much higher. So basically, aside from that, I mean, the whole market in general is looking good. We're kind of flatlined right now, but the market still has that bullish underlying tone to it. It's kind of hard to short stocks. It's a mixed board today. I could bring my little hot screen over here, and from FinViz, you can see it's a mixed rotation day. There's really not any sectors outperforming the other ones, as there's really no hot green spots on this chart here. So just keep those stocks in mind. ExxonMobil being the main one. Dean Foods, don't really think it's going to do much, but it does look good. And then you have your Express Scripts, which did pretty well today. I'm going to be watching ExxonMobil going to the afternoon, and that's just about it. So keep an eye on the ES. Starting to bring up my screen. Sorry about that. So keep an eye on the ES going forward. We're going to be watching this little 1400 level, obviously. And then if we do pull back, we're going to be watching 1396 area as support, and then the little pivot low that we made off the channel before we broke out around 1394. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check us back out in the afternoon later on today for our after the bell market summary update, and we'll keep you guys posted with what's going on in the market. Have a great day, guys, and catch you guys later.